Come on, Seymour. Seymour! You're a funny bird. You're a funny bird. Seymour! I don't know what that noise means, but okay. Any other bird's getting jealous, I'm talking to you. You're funny. What does that mean? Seymour! Come on, let's hear your name. Seymour! Oh, what a good bird you are. La 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 la. I don't know what that means either. We do the Ave Maria? Ave. I can't sing. Ave. Maria. Good girl, Seymour. Yeah, a girl named Seymour. You're such a good bird. Little character. There we are. I let you out, that's what you wanted. You're probably gonna quit talking now, huh? You say hello? Hello! Oh, where are we going now? Climbing down. We're gonna get my feet now, because I don't have my shoes on. Seymour! Alright. Well, that's Seymour, the new addition to the family, and hopefully the new addition to the Amazers show. Making weird noises, and I don't know what they mean yet. Oh, but we love her. Seymour! Oh, where are you going now? Alright. There's Seymour. Seymour! I guess we're done talking.